Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set all the photos on Facebook to private. Now, whether you have an iPhone, Android, or you're on a computer, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set all those photos private, whether you uploaded the photos yourself or someone else uploaded the photos and tagged you in them. So let's jump right in. Now, I'm going to open up the Facebook app on my iPhone here, but you can see on Android, it looks a little different. So I'm going to show you some steps where it does look different on an Android or a computer. The first thing we're going to do is tap on Menu at the bottom right of your iPhone. However, you can see it's at the top right of Android. And now from here, just tap on your Profile button at the top left. Now we need to get to your photos first, specifically your photo albums. So on here, you can see on the iPhone, it says all reels and photos. Let's tap on photos. And then you can see on Android, it also has photos here, but it looks a bit different. On the iPhone, you're going to tap on all albums. However, on Android, let's tap on swipe over to say cover photos or profile pictures. Once you tap in here, it'll show you that one album, but we need to get to one that will show you. Let's go to tagged photos. There we go. Just tap around until you find here is albums at the top right, and then tap on albums. For whatever reason, Facebook makes it different on iPhone, Android, and a computer. But now they look the same. So let's set these photos to be the exact same. So for instance, let's tap on this wedding album on both. You can see at the top right is that little pencil icon. So I'm just going to do it on my iPhone here. Tap on that little pencil icon at the top right, and you can see who can see this. And I'm going to tap on it and switch this to only me and tap done. Now I've set this photo album to be only me. Tap on save at the top right so no one else can see these photos. Just go through this list and do this across all of your albums. Keep in mind, unfortunately for your profile pictures, there's no way to set these to only me. These are just public by default. However, you can always go into old profile pictures, tap on those three dots at the top right, and you can choose to delete the photo if you don't want anyone else to be able to see that. Again, your current public profile picture and cover photo is accessible to everybody, but within those albums, you can always delete those photos. So now we've taken care of all of those albums and photos that you have uploaded. Let's go through the same process on photos that other people have uploaded and tagged you in. So after you've done that, let's just tap back here and tap back at the top left and tap back again. Now you'll tap on the menu button at the bottom right, or again on Android or computer, it's at the top right. Scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings at the top. From here, scroll down until you get to under audience and visibility, tap on posts. You can see who can see your future posts. You can tap on it and choose to set this to only me. Essentially, these are future photos or posts. If you don't want them automatically to be public or to your friends to be able to see it, you can set it to only me. However, let's go back out of here and scroll down. You can see under followers and public content and profile and tagging. Let's go into both of those. First, let's go to profile and tagging. On here, you can see if I scroll down, who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. And this is set to friends. Essentially, if somebody uploads a photo and then tags me in it and I approve it, all my friends can see it. However, I'm going to tap see all and switch this to only me. And you can go into when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of that post if you can't already see it. Again, tap on that and switch this to only me, and then tap on save. Scroll down from here, and you probably want to turn on let anyone tag you, or you can turn that off, but you definitely want to turn on review tags people add to your post before they appear on Facebook. Essentially, this means you'll have to review that tag and approve it before it is public for everybody. Next, let's tap the back arrow at the top left. and tap on followers and public content. And you can see a number of different things, but you probably, if you wanted to set all your photos to be private, you also probably want to set certain things like public profile info. So you can set that to friends instead of public, as well as who can see your followers, who can follow you, who can comment on your public profile posts, etc. You might want to go through this list and set it a bit more restrictive as well. I hope this helped. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks, guys.